In example 6, it asks us to algebraically solve the system of equations by using substitution to set f of x equal to g of x. And we're going to give our answers in order of pair. So when they say to set f of x equal to g of x, you actually do it. We know that f of x is x squared minus 4. So we're going to take x squared minus 4 and put it in place of f of x. We also know that g of x is negative x plus 2. So we take negative x plus 2 and replace it. And now we solve this. Since this is a quadratic, we know we need to get everything onto one side. So that means that I need to add x to both sides, as well as minus 2 to both sides. These are going to cancel out to give me 0. So I get 0 plus 0, which is 0. Now, over here, I have x squared. And there actually is nothing to combine with x, so I leave it as x. And then we see that negative 4 and negative 2 are like terms, so we get negative 6. Because this is set to 0, I know I need to factor it. So we're going to look at the factors of negative 6, which are 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. All right, since it's negative, it either needs to be one side is positive and one is negative, and the larger one actually gets to be positive because of this right here. Okay, so the larger one is positive, smaller one is negative. So which ones are going to give me a positive 1x when I combine them together? Definitely not 1 and 6, but negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Okay, so this factors into x minus 2 and x plus 3 equals 0. Now we're going to use our 0 property and solve these for x. So we have x minus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. We're going to take x minus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. All right, we get plus 2, so x equals 2. We get minus 3, so x equals negative 3. We've done half the work. We know that our two solutions are going to be at the points 2 and negative 3. Now we just need to find out which one of these are. So guess what? We're going to take the second function, g of x, and we're going to plug in 2 into it. So we're going to find g of 2 equals negative 2 plus 2. Well, that's negative 2 plus 2, so that's 0. So g of 2 equals 0. Then we're going to take g of negative 3 and plug it in. So we're going to plug in negative 3 into g. So that's going to look like g of negative 3 equals negative 3 plus 2. Well, this double negative right here is going to become a positive 3. So we get 3 plus 2, which is 5. So g of negative 3 equals 5. So the other one is 5. So the solution is 2, 0, negative 3, and 5.